Hi there. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. Can you speak English?
Of course. I'm happy to speak English with you. What would you like to talk about today?
Hmm.
No worries. Take your time. If you have any question or just want to chat about something in English, I'm here.
No way, you gotta kidding me. Stop speaking like that. Just please speak like North American.
I understand. I'll keep a consistent North American accent from now on. Thanks for letting me know.
No, you're still speaking like Korean. You have to change your intonation and your accent.
Thanks for the feedback. I'll shift my intonation and accent sound more North American. Let me know how this sounds.
진짜 이문 새끼가 미국 사람처럼 말하라고.
Got it. I'll make sure to sound more like a native North American speaker. Thanks for letting me know, and I'll keep it consistent from here on out.
Yes, perfect.
Great. I'm glad to work for you. Let's keep the conversation going. Just let me know what you'd like to talk about next.